In this video,
we will learn how to get to Unreal Rank in Fortnite. Getting to Unreal Rank in Fortnite Rank requires grinding through Bronze, Silver, Platinum to the Unreal Rank. It is quite tough, but here's how you can do it efficiently. Firstly, you should play smart, not just aggressive. Survival matters. Placement gives you way more points than elimination. Only take smart fights. If you die early, you lose more progress. You should rotate early on to avoid being stuck in storm fights, which can be extremely aggravating. Find the best drop spots in the game. Pick a low-key landing spot with good loot but fewer enemies, like the outskirt or hidden spots. You should also learn the chest locations and optimize loot routes. Keep up fighting only when necessary, not every time, because unnecessary fights can lead to your unnecessary death. You should master fighting, both in piece controlling and aiming. Box fighting skills are also necessary. You should learn to take wall, edit fast, and pre-fire. Aim training is also one of the fundamentals of reaching the Unreal Rank. You can use Kovac Aim Trainer or creative aim maps to improve your shotgun and tracking aim. You should also know the meta weapon. Always use the best shotgun plus AR combo for that season. And finally, always playing with a strategy makes you the ultimate player in the game. You can play in duo or squad mode, which lends you a more consistent and smart teammates. In solo mode, you should play safe and don't take unnecessary fights. You can use OP strategies like bush camping, high ground hold, and storm positioning to get the perfect angle of your game. And also don't tilt to stay consistent. If you are on a losing streak, you can take a break anytime. Mental focus is everything. Don't force bad plays. Stick to consistent playstyles that works for you. So this is how you can try to reach the Unreal Rank in Fortnite and get to that sweet rank spot. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.